Hi guys, so I promised I would share with you the things that I always pack when I travel. So whether this is in my hand luggage or whether this is in the hold luggage, these are things that I always take with me because I just find them invaluable. So first thing I want to talk about is compression packing cubes. So we've been using the Big Ale ones, we've got so many of them, they're just so good. So I'm busy packing at the moment for 2 weeks travelling around. We're going to Wales, Republic of Ireland, Northern Ireland, Scotland, and then back down to London. So I don't want to take a huge big bag with me. So I'm using these compression packing cubes just to take what I need in a smaller bag. So again, they're just brilliant. Honestly, really worth getting. Next thing I always travel with are my noise cancelling headphones. These are JBL ones. I just find these are brilliant. Whether you're on an aeroplane or you're sitting on a train or you just want to block out the noise when you're traveling and you want to listen to a really good podcast, I can think of a couple. UK Travel Planning Podcast I've heard is excellent, and Global Travel Planning Podcast is also very good. So if you're into, want to listen to music, want to listen to a podcast and you don't want to have the drone of engines or whatever, or kids screaming in the background or whatever, wherever you are, noise cancelling headphones, honestly, best thing ever. We always travel with a first aid kit. Doug's a nurse, so it's one thing that I leave him up to. He always packs it up, but I always take a first aid kit. Now, obviously, there's chemists and things like that in close proximity to most places that you're going to be, but I just think it's always handy to have one. If you're not feeling very well or you've got a blister, you've got your pack with what you need in it. So I say Doug's in charge of packing that. Another thing that I always take with me is I always have my handheld fan. Being a woman of a certain age, I find that this is invaluable because, just sometimes you need that little bit of cooling down. Even in the UK when it's not that warm these days, honestly, I think it's still useful to carry around. What are we now? September the 6th, something like that. So it's not particularly warm, but doesn't mean to say that if I'm on the underground, it's not going to be warm down there. You just don't know. Some places don't have air conditioning. So again, put it on harder. Anyway, that's really useful, and it just charges via, it's not a C port, I don't know what it is, but it's easy to charge anyway. Next thing I always travel with, as I mentioned before, are my lanyards and my wristband strap for my phone. I have that. I know somebody's asked me for that exact one, and I will try and find it and put a link below. I'll put a link below to any of these that you can buy from Amazon. And that's the little little things that you fit in the back of your phone. So then you clip the lanyard or the wrist strap onto there. So I'll put all of those below. And next thing we always travel with is a portable washing line. Again, I use this so much in India. We've just used it in LA. So we've got two options with the one we've got. One, you can either tie it round things, so Doug will often tie it round something, and then you can just tie it like that. Oops, can't do it. Tying it up like that, and so it will be secure. And I did this a lot in India with the tiles. You can just stick it on the tiles and hang it up, and it's great. Honestly, it's invaluable and not very expensive. We do carry a few little pegs with us as well, but honestly, with this sort, you can fit whatever you need in between the kind of twists of the line. So that's really useful. Another thing I always travel with is my twisty, so Toby twisty, because I don't know, you go to hotels and you get one towel, and I don't know, I want one towel to dry myself with, and I need another towel for my hair. So always travel with this. This, honestly, I've got a few of these, and I can't do without them. Just so helpful. Have a shower, have a towel, and then just shove the Toby twisty on, and that will keep your hair dry. And it means that the hotel towel you can keep just for yourself rather than Nick and Doug's, which usually what I try to do. So that's been really helpful. I always carry a spare battery pack with me. We've got new phones, but still, you just don't know when you're going to need that additional kind of battery power. And we've got so much tech stuff as well that we find that absolutely invaluable to have one of those. Another thing that we always take is a universal adapter. So we've used this one in America, we used it in the UK. Just really handy to have. In fact, we bought this one in Japan last year, and it's really handy. It's just small and compact. Another thing that I always take with me is a fold-up shopping bag. So I've got quite a few of this. It's my very cute one. But again, because the shops don't give you bags, you need to provide your own. It's just so much better if you have some of these folded up small, I'll put it back in its pouch, these small little pouchy fold up shop bags. Really helpful. And I think that's it. Oh no, one more thing. And I always travel, as always, with my theft-proof bag. It's really, really helpful to have. I've got so many of these, and I've got a whole video if you want to actually see which bags I prefer to travel with, but I've got a couple with me in the UK right now. Oh, and last thing, I've just noticed it on here, is I always travel with one of these, which has probably got a name that I can't think of off the top of my head. But I use these because they're really handy if you're going to hang like a bottle, or we usually use them for hats actually. I usually just hang my hat off and then it's easy access to get it. These are great things. We've got a few of them each and just find them really, really handy. Obviously you can't hang anything too heavy off it, but honestly they're brilliant. So mainly for hats that we use them for. I think you can probably hang a water bottle as well off it if you want. But yeah, we found those really, really good. So that's it. Basically, those are the things that I always kind of travel with, always find really useful to have. If there's anything that you travel with, let us know, because it's always good to know, you know, share what it is that you find that is an essential. Obviously, I haven't mentioned tea bags. We always travel with tea bags, but anyway. And I always take, another thing I always take, but I forgot to mention it, is I always, because I wear glasses, I always take a spare pair of glasses with me. And we'll always have our prescription, because honestly, if I lost my glasses or they're broke, I really wouldn't be able to see very much. So it's fairly essential that I do have that kind of cover. And then I guess one other thing that we always travel with is travel insurance. So I highly recommend that you take travel insurance out. When we were in Japan, no, we were in Vietnam last year, I actually ended up with pneumonia and in hospital, and it was covered. I think it cost me in the end about 400 Australian dollars. That was it for the entire, all of the things I needed to have done, all the medications. I've got a friend of mine who's been overseas the last couple of times she's been overseas has managed to break her foot. So you can imagine she's had to be flown back to Australia from Europe. Really expensive if you had to pay for that yourself. So I just think for peace of mind, travel insurance is really an essential these days. Anyway, I hope that's helpful. Just a quick video. I thought that I would give you a bit of information about those sort of things that we travel with. I'm still suffering a little bit with jet lag, so I hope that comes across all right. You can see behind me, garden, bit of rain today. It's not as bright as it was yesterday when we arrived, but temperature's not too bad. I've got my Los Angeles t-shirt on, but I haven't have a cardigan because I'm sort of sitting outside in the glass room at the moment. Anyway, hope that's helpful, and as I say, let me know in the comments if there's anything that else you'd like to know, or share what it is that you always take with you when you travel. Bye.